In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to order in Etsy, or as you might say, Etsy se order Kaise Kare. Whether you're using the Etsy app for the very first time, or just looking for a refresher on the shopping process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about ordering from Etsy's vast marketplace of unique, handmade items. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Etsy app on your phone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it easily on Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for Apple devices. Just install it like any other app, and we'll be ready to continue. Once the app is open, it's time to log in. If you previously created an account, simply enter your credentials, or if you're new to Etsy, you can create an account using your email address, Google, or Apple ID. This is a straightforward process that only takes a couple of minutes and gets you started on your Etsy journey. Now, with your account set up and ready to go, let's find something to buy. At the top of the app, you'll notice a search bar. Here you can type in whatever you're looking for, perhaps handmade jewelry or maybe a digital planner. This search feature is incredibly handy and makes it easier to pinpoint exactly what you need among Etsy's diverse range of products. Once you've found something that catches your eye, tap on the item to view more details. This will show you essential information like price, size, color options, and customer reviews. Spend a moment here to make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Your next step will be to select the quantity or variation, such as size or color, if applicable, and then tap Add to Cart. When you've added everything you need, head over to your cart and tap Proceed to Checkout. Here, you'll either confirm or add a new shipping address. Make sure this information is correct to avoid any delivery mishaps. Next, you'll choose your preferred payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, PayPal, or even an Etsy gift card. This flexibility ensures you can pay however you're most comfortable. Before you finalize your purchase, take a moment to review your order, make sure everything looks right, then tap Place Your Order. You'll land on a confirmation page, and Etsy will also send you an email with all your order details for your records. Finally, you can track your order anytime by checking under Purchases and Reviews. This feature keeps you updated on your order status, ensuring you know when to expect your package. And that's it! You're now well equipped to shop on Etsy with confidence. Happy shopping!